It's going. So, okay, wait. First, tell us what move you're going to be doing.
I'm going to be doing the floss.
The floss?
Yes.
Okay, go ahead. One, two, go. Very talented. Okay, now, what's your next move? What's the other one you were doing before with the leg? The leg and the arm.
I'm gonna do a different one. I don't know what it's called, but it's gonna be different.
Okay.
Okay. Now my next one, I still don't know the name, but I'm gonna be doing it. Now this one is called Let It Rain.
Uh-huh. Interesting. Alright, do the one with the arm and the leg. Let me see. Alright, nice. Any other moves? Can you do the kiki dance? Alright. Now what?
Nothing.
Alright. Thank you very much, Isaiah. Very good job. Alright, come here. What do you want to say to all your fans?
Bye, Felicia.